Elon Musk has once again amazed the world by introducing an affordable, innovative, and sustainable housing solution. The $10,000 foldable modular house, developed in collaboration with the startup Boxabl. This bold idea is not just an intriguing proposal, but a true revolution in the concept of modern housing. While the traditional real estate market struggles with high costs, long construction timelines, and significant environmental impact, Musk offers something entirely different. The goal is clear: to provide a practical and sustainable alternative accessible to a larger number of people. What makes this house so special is not just its affordable price, but also the careful choice of materials used. Built with low-impact, environmentally friendly components, it reflects the commitment to sustainability that has become a hallmark of Musk's projects. The idea is that each house not only offers comfort, but also helps reduce the carbon footprint. It's a perfect blend of technology and environmental respect, something that, until now, seemed difficult to achieve on a large scale. Another noteworthy feature is its focus on energy efficiency. These houses are designed to consume less energy, resulting in significant savings for residents over time. Compatible with systems like solar panels, they can operate almost self-sufficiently. This not only eases the burden of energy bills, but also provides greater independence from traditional infrastructure. After all, who wouldn't want to live in a space that practically sustains itself? More than just a structure, the $10,000 modular house is a response to the needs of modern society. At a time when the housing crisis affects millions worldwide, finding a solution that is both affordable and sustainable is truly inspiring. It's not just a house. It's a vision of how technology can solve real problems and improve people's quality of life. Musk's decision to collaborate with Boxabl also highlights his willingness to explore partnerships to achieve his goals. The startup already had a track record of innovation in the housing sector, but it was with Musk's vision that the project gained global proportions. It's fascinating to see how he combines forces with smaller companies to create something that significantly impacts society. Practicality is another key aspect that cannot be overlooked. These homes are compact and well-designed, maximizing every square inch of space. This means that despite the low price, there is no loss of functionality or comfort. It's as if every detail was meticulously planned to show that affordability doesn't have to equate to rudimentary simplicity. Indeed, the project delivers exactly that: simplicity in concept, but complexity in execution. What's most fascinating is how these homes challenge the traditional model of housing. They don't just address financial and environmental problems. They also prompt a reflection on how we live and how we could live more efficiently. Musk's idea isn't just about providing people with a roof over their heads. It's about changing the way they interact with their living spaces. In many ways, it reflects his mindset. There are no limits to what can be reinvented. The foldable design of these homes is one of the most impressive aspects of the project. A compact structure that can be transported on a standard truck and assembled in less than an hour is revolutionary. This approach not only reduces transportation costs, but also offers unprecedented practicality. The structure arrives at its destination as a large package and, with minimal adjustments, transforms into a functional and comfortable home. This solves one of the biggest issues faced by traditional construction: the time and effort required for assembly. This functionality makes these homes an ideal solution for emergencies or hard-to-reach areas. In locations affected by natural disasters, for instance, the speed at which these homes can be installed can make all the difference. Displaced families can find a new home within hours without having to wait months for temporary solutions. Additionally, in remote regions where infrastructure is limited, these homes offer a practical and efficient alternative to overcome logistical challenges. Another intriguing aspect is how the modular design allows for the optimization of interior space. Every square meter is carefully planned to offer maximum functionality. From compact yet well-equipped kitchens to bedrooms that make the most of natural lighting, everything is designed with efficiency in mind. The best part is that this approach doesn't compromise comfort. Despite their small size, these homes provide a cozy and practical living environment for their residents. The foldable structure also significantly reduces the environmental impact during transportation. Unlike conventional constructions that require multiple trips for heavy materials, these homes are delivered in a single move, ready to be assembled. This not only saves fuel, but also reduces carbon emissions associated with logistics. It's an intelligent solution that reflects the project's commitment to sustainability. The versatility of these houses is another standout feature. They can be adapted to various scenarios, from permanent residences in dense urban areas to temporary shelters in rural zones. This flexibility is a significant advantage, as it meets the needs of a diverse audience. And of course, their ability to be assembled in hard-to-reach locations further enhances their impact potential, especially in regions where traditional construction is not feasible. Elon Musk and Boxabl have also considered the expansion possibilities of these houses. The modular design allows new modules to be added to the main structure, making them a dynamic solution that evolves alongside the residents' needs. This means that even starting with a compact house, it is possible to expand it over time, whether to accommodate a growing family or to meet new demands. This adaptability is a feature that few housing solutions offer. Moreover, the reduced transportation cost makes these houses accessible to an even larger number of people. Instead of relying on large trucks or specialized equipment, they can be transported economically and efficiently to any location. This is especially relevant in developing countries, where high logistics costs often hinder the large-scale implementation of housing solutions. These houses are also ideal for temporary housing projects, such as shelters for populations displaced by natural disasters or humanitarian crises. Compared to traditional solutions like tents or low-quality emergency constructions, they offer safety, comfort, and durability, essential factors during times of vulnerability. Additionally, the rapid assembly allows people to regain a functional home within hours, reducing the emotional and logistical strain of critical situations. The economic impact of these houses is another noteworthy point. Large-scale production not only reduces costs, but also generates jobs across various sectors, from manufacturing the modules to logistics and assembly. This creates a positive cycle of economic development that benefits not only the residents, but also the communities where the houses are produced and installed. It's a solution that not only meets individual needs, but also contributes to collective growth. An interesting aspect is how these houses can be integrated into government programs and initiatives by non-governmental organizations. With low costs and efficient designs, they are a powerful tool for social housing projects. Governments can use them to address housing deficits, while NGOs can deploy them quickly and effectively in crisis areas. The model's versatility makes it adaptable to different contexts and needs. Beyond their direct impact on individuals, these houses also promote the development of more sustainable communities. With the ability to integrate renewable energy systems, such as solar panels, they not only reduce operational costs, but also help decrease reliance on traditional power grids. This is especially relevant in remote areas where access to electricity may be limited or non-existent. Thus, these houses not only provide shelter, but also lay the foundation for a more sustainable future. Another factor that adds to the appeal of these houses is the durability of their structures. Designed to withstand adverse weather conditions and the wear and tear of time, they ensure a long-term investment for residents. This means that, unlike low-quality temporary solutions, These houses offer stability and safety, crucial aspects for those seeking to rebuild their lives amidst challenges. We also cannot ignore the psychological impact of having a dignified and functional home. For many people, these houses represent more than just physical space. They symbolize hope, dignity, and the chance to start over. Elon Musk and Boxabl understood that housing is not just about walls and a roof, but about creating an environment where people can live with comfort, security, and the possibility of planning a better future. The integration of advanced technologies, such as home automation, further enhances the appeal of these houses. Smart control systems allow residents to monitor and adjust energy consumption, temperature, and even home security conveniently and efficiently. Combined with solutions like Tesla's Powerwall, these houses can operate almost self-sufficiently, storing renewable energy for later use. This not only reduces long-term costs, but also gives residents full control over their living experience. The expansion of these houses into more extreme scenarios is another fascinating aspect of the project. Elon Musk has already expressed interest in utilizing modular technology in challenging environments, such as bases on Mars or remote areas on Earth. Their compact design, energy efficiency, and ease of transportation make these houses perfect candidates for futuristic applications. While this may still seem distant, it is a testament to how these innovations have the potential to impact both the present and the future. Additionally, the modular design offers a unique opportunity for architects and designers to explore new forms of sustainable housing. With the possibility of combining different modules, creating customized layouts, and integrating eco-friendly materials, these houses represent a new frontier for creativity in the real estate sector. They demonstrate that it is possible to create practical solutions without compromising aesthetics, offering a balance between functionality and beauty that appeals to a diverse audience. The environmental benefits of these houses cannot be ignored. By using low-impact construction materials and minimizing waste during production, they significantly contribute to reducing carbon emissions associated with the real estate sector. At a time when sustainability is more crucial than ever, these houses represent a critical advancement in how we build and inhabit the planet. Elon Musk's revolutionary approach to these houses not only addresses housing issues, but also challenges industries to think differently. The idea of providing high-quality housing at an affordable cost with a high degree of sustainability forces other market players to reconsider their strategies. This creates a ripple effect of innovation, where competition is driven to keep pace, resulting in even better solutions for consumers. The global impact of this initiative is difficult to quantify, but it is undeniable that it is creating a new paradigm for the real estate sector. By putting technology at the service of accessibility, Musk and Boxabl are showing that it is possible to do more with less without compromising quality of life. Most importantly, they are redefining what it means to inhabit the world in an intelligent, efficient, and sustainable way. These modular houses represent more than a technological breakthrough. They symbolize a shift in mindset. Instead of focusing solely on profits or short-term solutions, the project places people and the planet at the center of the equation. Each unit installed is a step toward a future where everyone, regardless of financial or geographical circumstances, can have access to a dignified and functional home. It is this kind of vision that transforms innovation into real impact. Elon Musk's vision for these modular houses also opens doors for strategic partnerships that could further expand their global reach. Governments, NGOs, and private companies have already shown interest in adopting this solution on a large scale, particularly in regions where the housing crisis is most acute. The ability to quickly assemble these houses at a reduced cost and with minimal environmental impact makes them an extremely attractive option for social housing initiatives, resettlement projects, and even post-disaster reconstruction programs. Another highlight is how these houses have the potential to redefine urbanization standards in densely populated areas. Imagine entire neighborhoods composed of modular units, each utilizing renewable energy and optimizing space use. In addition to being more sustainable, these neighborhoods can be built in a fraction of the time required by traditional methods, quickly meeting the demand for housing in major urban centers. These houses also provide a unique opportunity to empower communities in developing countries. By creating an accessible and sustainable housing model, Tesla and Boxabl show that cutting-edge technology does not need to be restricted to elites. On the contrary, it can and should be used to improve living conditions for marginalized populations, providing them with a solid foundation to build a more stable and prosperous future. Their application in rural and remote areas should not be underestimated either. In regions where infrastructure is scarce or non-existent, these houses become an essential solution. Beyond providing shelter, they can be adapted to function as schools, health posts, or community centers, further amplifying their social impact. This versatility is proof of how modular design transcends the traditional concept of housing. No matter how affordable they are, these houses do not compromise on comfort and modernity. With smart layouts, technological integration, and high-quality materials, they offer a dignified and functional living experience. This breaks the stigma that affordable housing solutions must be simple or inferior. Here, accessibility and quality go hand in hand, challenging the real estate industry's status quo. Tesla's role in this project goes beyond its partnership with Boxabl. The company's expertise in renewable energy and automation is transforming these houses into living examples of how technology can be applied practically and sustainably. From integration with solar panels to energy storage systems, these houses represent the best of engineering and sustainable design in a compact solution. What's most intriguing is that these houses are not just an innovation for the present. They are a laboratory for the future. Musk's vision of using them on Mars, for instance, may seem ambitious, but it clearly demonstrates how every Tesla project aims to go beyond the obvious. By creating solutions for the most extreme challenges, the company not only lays the groundwork for space exploration, but also improves the lives of millions of people here on Earth. The proposal for Elon Musk and Boxabl's modular houses is not only reshaping the housing sector, but also redefining the concept of accessibility in technology. With a competitive price and solutions that meet the needs of both the present and the future, these houses represent a convergence of innovation, sustainability, and social impact. They stand out as an example of how great ideas can transform complex problems into practical solutions that benefit millions of people. The scalability of the project is another fascinating aspect. Thanks to large-scale production, it is possible to meet a variety of demands, from individual housing needs to large-scale initiatives. Governments, for instance, can use these houses to address housing crises in densely populated urban areas, while rural and remote regions benefit from a practical and economical alternative for permanent housing. The modularity of the houses also allows them to be customized to meet the specific needs of different cultures and climates. Sustainability is at the heart of this innovation. Each house is built with low-impact materials and designed to maximize energy efficiency. By integrating solutions such as solar panels and energy storage systems, these houses not only reduce operational costs, but also help decrease reliance on traditional power grids. This approach supports global carbon emission reduction goals and reinforces the idea that the future of housing is directly tied to preserving the planet. The applicability of these houses in emergency scenarios further highlights their positive impact. In areas devastated by natural disasters, where traditional rebuilding can take months or even years, These houses offer a fast and efficient solution. With their ability to be transported and assembled quickly, they provide safe shelter for families who have lost everything, helping them rebuild their lives with dignity and comfort. Another point worth noting is the technological connectivity of these houses. Integrated with smart automation systems, they offer remote control over aspects such as temperature, energy consumption, and security. This functionality not only enhances the quality of life for residents, but also places these houses at the forefront of smart housing. The combination of technology and accessibility transforms each unit into an example of how the future can be more connected and efficient. While the immediate impact of these houses is undeniable, their long-term potential is even more exciting. The idea of expanding modular housing to sectors such as healthcare, education, and community infrastructure opens up new possibilities for transforming cities and villages into more resilient and sustainable communities. Elon Musk and Boxabl are not just creating homes. They are planting the seeds for a social and environmental revolution. What truly sets these houses apart is their ability to inspire. They represent more than just a practical innovation. They're a demonstration of how creativity and ambition can solve global problems. By offering an accessible, sustainable, and scalable solution, the project is redefining what it means to live in the 21st century. Each house is not just a product. It is a part of a larger movement aimed at building a future where innovation serves everyone. In the end, these modular houses are not just a response to the challenges of the present. They are a symbol of what the collaboration between technology and humanity can achieve. They prove that when innovation is driven by a clear vision and a genuine purpose, it is possible to create solutions that change lives. And this, without a doubt, is the hallmark of Elon Musk's legacy, turning the impossible into reality, and in doing so, bringing everyone closer to a more prosperous and sustainable future.